Hello and welcome to this new video. Let me ask you a real question. If you could make just $20 per day online, what would that change for you? That's around $600 per month from home with just a laptop or even your phone. Now, I want to be clear, very clear before we start. This is not a get rich quick video, no fake screenshots, no overnight success. These are real websites used by millions of people where normal people make money online by doing simple, repeatable tasks. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how to choose the best one for you depending on your skills and time. So let's start. Website number one is Fiverr, and that is to turn simple skills into daily cash. Most people think Fiverr is only for professionals. That's not true. On Fiverr, people are selling simple Canva designs, TikTok video edits, short YouTube descriptions, Instagram captions, basic logo cleanups. So if you can use Canva, CapCut, or ChatGPT, you already have a skill. Let me give you an example. Let's say you create a gig for $10. For example, I will edit your TikTok video in 24 hours. You only need 2 orders per day to reach $20 per day. The pro tip is use simple gig titles, deliver fast, over deliver just a little. That's how Fiverr's algorithm starts pushing your gig. Okay, so website number 2 is Upwork. And Upwork is different from Fiverr because here clients post jobs and you apply. Now listen carefully, don't apply for everything. Best beginner jobs are data entry, virtual assistant, email handling, simple research, social media posting. Example, a client pays $15 per hour, you work just 90 minutes per day. Boom, you are already past $20 per day. The pro tip is when you apply, don't write long essays. Write who you are, that you understand the task, and when you can start the task. Simple, human, and clear. Website number 3 is MicroWorkers, and this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Tasks included in MicroWorkers are app testing, website signups, watching short videos, leaving feedback, verifying information. Each task pays a small amount like 0.50 cents or $1, but they add up. Realistic expectations from MicroWorkers. If you spend 1 or 2 hours per day, you can slowly reach $20 per day. This is perfect if you are a complete beginner. You don't want clients, you just want to start today. Website number 4 is Rev.com. Rev pays you for transcription, captions, subtitles, and if you can type fast, understand English, focus for short periods, this is one of the most stable options. Example, one 20-minute audio file can pay between $5 and $15. Do 2 or 3 files per day and you hit your goal. The pro tip is the more accurate you are, the higher paying jobs you unlock. Okay, website number 5 is ClickWorker. ClickWorker works with big companies that need help training AI. Tasks included are categorizing images, writing short descriptions, surveys, search result evaluation. Some tasks pay low, but others pay $5 to $10 per task. Great. Best strategy to enter is log in multiple times per day, take qualification tests, focus on accuracy. That's how you unlock higher pay. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make money online. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.